T7 is a brand new, super modern training system, and that's give us a great potential. We have the first order of 350 aircraft to US Air Force, and that's give us a good start. It's super modern training system, so we can see that it will be a big interest from other countries. It is not only an aircraft, it is a training system around the pilot. How he should prepare, how he should be trained on the ground, and then up in the air. And then when he's coming back on the ground, it's an after-action review. So it's a total system how he should be trained. And the aircraft itself is, of course, fully digitalized. And that make it so flexible in the future. So we can actually reconfigure the plan to be more like a Eurofighter or an F-22 or another aircraft. So we can do it more specific for a specific type of aircraft, only changing the software.